Ever wondered how to divide your income for a balanced financial life? Personal finance, as daunting as it may sound, is simply about managing your money effectively. It's an essential skill, yet so many of us struggle to keep our finances in check. The solution? The 50-15-5 rule. This simple yet powerful guideline can be a game changer, transforming the way you budget. So let's dive in and unravel its potential. Understanding the 50-15-5 rule can greatly simplify your budgeting process. So what exactly is the 50-15-5 rule? This rule is a budgeting principle designed to simplify money management. It's a guideline that helps you allocate your income effectively and make sure all your financial bases are covered. Let's break it down. The 50 in the 50-15-5 rule refers to 50% of your income that should be allocated to your needs. These are the things you can't live without: shelter, food, healthcare, transportation. So if you earn $4,000 each month, $2,000 should be set aside for these necessities. Next, we have the 15. This is 15% of your income that should be directed towards retirement savings. It's all about preparing for your golden years. If you're pulling in $4,000 a month, that means $600 should be going to your retirement fund. Lastly, the 5 stands for 5% of your income that should be saved for short-term needs. This is your safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Going back to our example, if you're making $4,000 a month, $200 should be tucked away for these short-term savings. By following the 50-15-5 rule, you're ensuring that your needs are met, you're preparing for the future, and you're building a cushion for those unexpected life events. It's a simple and effective approach to personal finance. This rule is a guideline to help you allocate your finances effectively. The 50-15-5 rule is pretty straightforward, isn't it? It's all about dividing your income into 3 simple categories: 50% towards necessities, 15% towards retirement savings, and 5% towards short-term savings. Let's quickly recap. Necessities are your must-haves: housing, food, utilities, transportation. Retirement savings are for your future, ensuring you have a comfortable life when you decide to stop working. Short-term savings are for the unexpected: car repairs, medical bills, or a sudden loss of income. The beauty of this rule is its simplicity. It provides a clear guideline for managing your money, ensuring you're not just living paycheck to paycheck but also preparing for the future. But remember, this rule is a starting point. Adjust it to suit your needs. Maybe you need to allocate more to debt repayment or less to retirement. Start applying the 50-15-5 rule today, and you'll see the difference it can make in your financial life. Remember, it's not about making more money, but using it wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We are constantly sharing more useful tips and tricks on personal finance. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video, and you'll be able to continue improving your financial game. Remember, every small step you take towards better money management can lead to big changes in your financial health. So, why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom with us today. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment. We're here to help you navigate your financial future. Thanks for watching.